Welcome back. Today we'll cover comparing and ordering numbers part 2. If you haven't, check out part 1 of this video where we're using place value position in order to compare numbers. In what position would Juan's suitcases be if the weights of the suitcases in pounds were ordered from greatest to least? I know that I will need a place value chart because I'm ordering the numbers from greatest to least. And it's also important to know the number of place value positions that you'll need so that you won't make the place value chart too large or too small. So let's take a look at the weight of suitcases in pounds. Out of all 4 students, I noticed that Juan's suitcase has the most amount of digits. His suitcase has 5 different digits. So that tells me that I need to create a place value chart with 5 different place value positions. When I look at the weight of Juan's suitcase, I see that the 2 is located in the largest place value position, which is the tens place. The 5 is located in the smallest place value position, which is the thousandths place. So this tells me that I will create a place value chart that goes from the tens place to the thousandths place. So let's go ahead and create our place value chart. Now that I've created my place value chart, I see that I'm ordering the weight of the suitcases from greatest to least or largest to smallest. So now we'll start by plugging our numbers into the place value chart. Now that we've plugged the numbers into the place value chart, if there are any empty spaces, we will fill them in with placeholders or zeros. Now we can begin to compare our numbers starting with the largest place value position, which is the tens place. In the tens place, I see that Juan, Tiana, Kim, and Emmanuel all have 2s in the tens place, which makes the value equal. When the numbers are equal, we're not able to tell which number is larger or smaller. So we will cross those numbers out and start comparing in the ones place. In the ones place, we see that Juan and Kim both have equal values, and Tiana and Emmanuel have equal values. Since we are ordering numbers from greatest to least, this tells me that Tiana or Emmanuel will be in first or second place. This also tells me that my answer cannot be F or G because we know that first and second position will be filled by Tiana and Emmanuel. Since we're starting the comparison with Tiana and Emmanuel, I'm going to mark out Juan and Kim so that it's easier to focus on Tiana and Emmanuel. Tiana and Emmanuel both have 4s in the ones place. This means the value is equal, so we're not able to tell which number is larger or smaller. So we'll cross those out and begin comparing in the tens place. In the tens place, Tiana has an 8 and Emmanuel has a 7. This makes Tiana's value greater because 8 is greater than 7. This also tells me that Tiana's suitcase is first and Emmanuel's is second. Now that we've compared Tiana and Emmanuel, we're able to mark them out so that we can compare Juan and Kim to see if Juan's suitcase is in third or fourth position. Remember, when we're comparing numbers, we always start in the largest place value position. We've already compared the tens place for Juan and Kim. The tens place showed that Juan and Kim had equal values. So now we'll move to the ones place. In the ones place, Juan and Kim both have a number 1, which shows that they have equal values. We're not able to tell if the number is larger or smaller, so we'll mark the ones out and move to the tenths place. In the tenths place, I see that Juan has a 6 and Kim has a 4. 6 is greater than 4. If I'm ordering the suitcases from greatest to least, this tells me that Juan's suitcase would be in third position and Kim's suitcase would be in fourth position. So again, the question asks, in what position would Juan's suitcase be if the weights of the suitcases in pounds were ordered from greatest to least? Juan's suitcase would be in third position.